Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we will be continuing the Learn Java course. So let's go back. And today we will be introducing inheritance. So this is one of the most important topics in all of Java and all of object-oriented programming. So inheritance and polymorphisms. So we'll get into both within the next few videos, so stay tuned for that. But when you hear the word inheritance, code may not be the first thing that springs to your mind. You're probably thinking of inheriting a generic or genetic traits like eye color from your mother or a smile from your grandfather. But inheritance is also an important feature of object-oriented programming in Java. So suppose we're building a shape class in Java. We might give it points in 2D, a method for calculating the area, another method for displaying the shape. What happens if we want a class for a triangle that has some triangle specific methods? Do we need to redefine all of the same methods we created for shape? Nope. Lucky for us, a Java class also inherits traits from another class because a triangle is a shape. We can define triangle so that it inherits fields and methods directly from shape. A reference type of shape can refer to an object of shape or an object of triangle. The object-oriented principle of inheritance saves us from the headache of redefining class members all over again. Our triangle class will inherit all of the traits of shape, but triangle can also contain its own unique methods and variables. For example, we could have an instance variable called hypotenuse, a method called find hypotenuse that can be accessed by triangle class references. Objects of the triangle can call any method contained in triangle or shape. This gives us a bunch of possibilities. Now here are several terms you'll encounter frequently. Parent class is parent class, superclass, and base class refer to the class that another class inherits from. So for example, like the superclass, parent class is basically the class like your father, okay? It's your father or your mother's class, okay? And then the child class, think of it as you. The child class, subclass, derived class all refer to the class that inherits from another class. So triangle would be the child class and the parent class will be the shape, correct? And then this is how it works. So basically, um, let's say that, well, let's start this over again. Okay, so we have task. Okay, task has description is complete. Then we have it as deadline. So these automatically inherit from this. It's implied that you have all of these methods if you're inheriting from it basically. And that is introducing inheritance. So I'm gonna end this right here. In the next video, we'll be diving deep into more practical examples of it. So until then, I'll see you guys in the next one and have a great day.